welcome to GardenHula channel. Today I'm doing the how to make rosemary tea, fresh rosemary. So what do we need? First of all, we need to have fresh rosemary sprig first. Let's go cut some of the sprig and we do the tea. Yeah, we have like plenty of rosemary. In my opinion, rosemary very hard to grow in Florida. In the summer, without rain, it do very well. But if we have like rain continuously several days, rosemary not doing well. So if you grow rosemary in Florida, you need to grow in a very well-drained area. Otherwise, they will die. That's based on my experience. All right, so let's cut some rosemary sprig, and we do the tea. All right, we have a little bit. I think that's good for maybe a little bit more. All right. So this is what we have for the tea. Let's get inside and do some tea. Alright, so what do you need to make the tea? First, you need to have a teapot, teacup, rosemary, and not this one, and hot water. Alright, so once we have the rosemary sprig ready for the tea, let's do it. First, I'll cut the rosemary in smaller pieces. Put them in the pot holder. Okay. Oh, it's very hot. The water is super hot. Right, now we wait for maybe 10 minutes, and we're coming back, and I believe we will have a rosemary tea ready for. Alright, it's been 10 minutes past, so let's check the rosemary. Oh, they look very well. Ooh, smell good. Oh. Alright. The water is so hot. You literally can taste the flavor of rosemary. So this is how you make the rosemary tea. Excuse me, it's ready to consume in 10 minutes. Our rosemary. Enjoy the tea. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.